Personal finance is all about saving, spending, investing, and managing your money, so you may live the life you want. However, personal finance is not taught in schools, and managing your money can be challenging. We are frequently forced to learn personal finance by trial and error, and it is all too simple to make mistakes with lifelong effects. Money management requires information, skills, and the proper mindset. To master the essential principles of money management, you can locate dozens of personal finance books by best-selling writers. A personal finance course, on the other hand, may be a better alternative if you learn best through guided teaching, with the opportunity to put what you learn into practice. The top personal finance courses allow you to learn from specialists who can lead you through the important areas of personal finance while assessing your knowledge along the way. While many effective personal finance classes are free or low cost, it is critical to choose one that is well worth your time. In this overview, we look at the finest personal finance courses in 6 categories to help you narrow down your decisions. Number 1. edX. It's comprehensive, jam-packed with learning tools and resources, self-paced, designed and taught by a university, and it's free. As a result, we selected Finances for Everyone, Smart Tools for Decision-Making from edX as the best overall personal finance course. Finances for Everyone by edX is the most comprehensive free course available. However, what identifies the course is its college course structure, which keeps students moving forward with great instruction and materials while creating a one-of-a-kind learning experience. Gautam Kaul, professor of finance at the University of Michigan's Ross School of Business, teaches the course on edX. It's a 6-week course, 5 to 6 hours per week, with weekly learning sequences made up of short films linked with interactive learning exercises that allow students to practice what they've learned. In addition, the course contains tutorial films that are akin to on-campus discussion groups. Students can use an online discussion forum to post and review questions, as well as share remarks with teaching assistants and other students. In general, the training is intended for beginners, with an emphasis on boosting financial literacy. It begins with an in-depth examination of the time value of money as the foundation for learning and appreciating the numerous applications of finance to the analysis of personal decisions. The course gives a framework for decision-making in all areas of money management. The course is free unless you want to purchase a certificate of completion for $49. Number 2. Ramsey Solutions. Taking control of your personal finances requires you to change your behavior, which can be tough for some people. Ramsey Plus is more than just a great course. It's also a huge community of like-minded people eager to help each other, which is why it's our pick for the best personal finance course for a support system. Ramsey Plus, in addition to providing top-tier educational courses and materials, is home to a vast community of Dave Ramsey students who are there to learn and encourage one another. There is no one more well-known than Ramsey for individuals who want to learn from genuine gurus. He has written many best-selling personal finance books and is a nationally syndicated radio talk show host with millions of listeners. His Financial Peace University, which includes financial counselors all around the country, has trained thousands of people who want to take control of their finances. Ramsey Plus is a more comprehensive version of his Financial Peace University that includes substantial resources in addition to online classes. Membership is $129 per year and includes numerous handy, mobile-optimized apps. The first is an app that includes all of the Financial Peace University courses, as well as on-demand videos. Every dollar is a well-known budgeting program, also available separately for $99, and Baby Methods is based on Dave's well-traveled debt relief steps. While the classes are excellent, the applications are well worth the annual fee. The actual value of Ramsey Plus is the additional motivation you get from community support to stick to your plan. When you join, you become part of an engaged online community of thousands of people who have completed or are completing the courses and are willing to help each other. You also get access to a financial mentor. That is the true value of the membership fee. Number 3. Khan Academy. There are several other free personal finance courses available, but the Khan Academy has a solid reputation for providing high-quality online education, which is why we chose it as the best free personal finance course. When it comes to educational courses, free isn't really free unless you're willing to spend your valuable time. With Khan Academy's 15 years of expertise building high courses, you can be confident that your time will be well spent. Saul Khan launched Khan Academy in 2008 as a non-profit educational organization, and it has since grown to become a global leader in free online education. Saul, who has a finance background, designed and taught the personal finance course. The course is made of video lectures, brief readings, interactive quizzes, and discussion threads. There are 9 classes that cover the foundations. A typical course is divided into units that feature lessons that contain all of the information and resources you'll need. Saul's lessons are unique in that he writes his notes on a virtual board while talking and carefully explaining the subjects, just like in a real classroom. As you advance through the course, the learning site records your time spent watching videos, reading texts, and taking assessments. Khan has partnered with Visa to create a 20-part YouTube series on personal finance as an additional resource. Number 4. Duke University. To handle your own money, you must first know how your behavior affects financial decisions. Duke University has backed the development of its behavioral finance course with its academic power, making it our choice for the top personal finance course for learning behavioral finance. Your behavior, including your financial preferences and attitude, influences your financial decisions, which might have long-term effects. Duke University provides a behavioral finance course that focuses on controlling your assumptions in order to make better decisions. Duke University is a world-class university with one of the best personal finance departments in the country. Its behavioral finance course is well known among its students, but it is also available for free as an online course through Coursera.org, a learning platform that curates courses taught by university professors all around the world. While the course is free, you can pay a fee for course certification. The 5-hour seminar looks at common mistakes people make while taking financial decisions and how to avoid them. It assists you in identifying your personal biases, which can lead to poor decision-making. Economics Associate Chair and Professor Emma Raziel teaches the course, which is supported by a series of online videos. At the end of each segment, there are supplementary readings and quizzes. Our final thoughts. Personal finance is just that personal. Everyone has different needs, different learning styles, and different things they want to obtain out of a personal finance course. At the very least, search for a course with a comprehensive offering that covers the fundamental concepts of personal finance in an easy-to-understand format and is taught by a competent instructor.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get a notification. Business Snap. Finance and investing updates.